And this 50 count box of Wolf 9mm was $6.49. Stick around, I'm going to walk you guys back through the last few months of 2020. Hey guys, how's it going? So today is August 19th, 2020. I just received some ammo from AIM Surplus. And this is the ammo that I ordered right when I did that impromptu live stream late at night on the 12th. So 1 week ago, I let you guys know about some calibers that were in stock. And I told you guys I bought some 7.62x39, some 300 Blackout, and some 45 ACP in the Wolf. We're going to unbox this, and then I'm going to take you guys back in memory lane and do a couple unboxings of ammo that was purchased 2 separate times in March, just to show you guys how much has changed. So, here's my box that just arrived from AIM. And this is steel cased ammo, guys. I've talked about it before. Some of you love it, some of you hate it. I'm definitely going to have a steel versus brass case video coming very soon, because a lot of people have questions about whether they want to use steel or not. So here's my AIM Surplus sticker, which is pretty nice. I have a few of these. Here's my receipt. I'm going to give you guys the prices. Some packing paper. And I ordered just 3 different types of ammo here. I ordered 4 boxes of the Wolf 45 ACP, and this was $16.95 a box, which is much more than what it was just a few months ago, but yet I thought very affordable, and that's why I did that stream, to let you guys know. So hopefully you guys got some of this too. And I would note, this came to my house. You know, I'm not too far away from AIM. They're in Ohio, I'm in Michigan, but this actually came to my house in like 3 days, which was really impressive. So we've got box number 3 of the 45. This is all steel case, guys. This is boxer primed. Don't really know that you're going to reload it being steel, but hey, some people have a way to do it, I've read. So those of you guys that know how, you know what you're talking about. Alright, I also ordered 10 boxes of Wolf 7.62x39. This is the 123 grain steel case, non-corrosive. This is the Berdan primed. So we've got 2 of them there. Four. Coming out a little bit, but it's all good. They're in like a little paper bag inside of the box. 6. And this is $5.39, guys. So this is not what it used to be. I remember it being about $3.69 just back in early March of this year. But by today's standards, from what I'm seeing, just literally in the last week since I did that live stream, I'm always trying to help you guys out, you know. Hopefully a lot of you guys got this when I made you aware of it. But this actually appears to be pretty cheap now, just in 1 week. $5.39. One of the famous websites out there was charging like $14 for 40 rounds. So if you add that up, this would be less than 11, and now it's going for 14. It seems like every time you turn around it goes up. And then this is a new product that I've not tried yet. I'm going to do some testing. I have a KS-47 pistol and a 300 Blackout AR. So 7.62x39 versus 300 in the steel case. And this is the Wolf Polyformance 145 grain 300 AAC Blackout. I also got 10 boxes of this, and this was $11.95 a box, which is admittedly quite a bit more than what it was before. But then again, I'm having a hard time finding 300 Blackout right now at any price, and I've seen brass going for well over $1 to even up to $2 a round, believe it or not, in some instances. I keep tipping it upside down. There we go. 1 of each. Does that look good? So there's 6 of them. 8. And then 10. So this is my ammo unboxing with prices as of August 12th, 2020. Hold on 1 second and I'm going to grab a box of ammo with prices from this March. real quick, I've been helping you guys out as much as I can, letting you guys know when all the ammo deals are that I can find, and I just spent almost 300 bucks on ammo for videos for the channel. So if you guys want to help out, the links to my Patreon and Subscribestar are down there in the description. And if you want to help out by using my Amazon affiliate link, it earns a little bit for the channel and it costs you nothing. And I appreciate all of you who are helping out. I really do put the money back into the channel and try to keep a ton of good videos going for you guys. So thank you. Alright, so let's roll back in time to March 19th, 2020. And this is some ammo I bought then. Now this is the point in time where ammo had started to go up. It had already gone up by 15% at that time, but I knew it was coming. I'd been around the game too long. I was like, now's the time to make a last ditch effort to buy. And I didn't go crazy. I didn't hoard. I'm going to show you guys right now what I bought. But I streamed the following night after I made this order on March 20th. You guys can go back and check out that stream. And I was really emphasizing, you guys, if you're going to need ammo, get it now. So this is what I bought on the 19th of March. I bought 10 boxes of the Wolf 223 55 grain. And this was $4.39 a box at that time. So, steel case, 55 grain. I've got 2, 4, 6, 7. I no longer have 3 out of the 10. Not because I shot it, but because I did exactly what I've encouraged you all to do if you can. I gave 3 boxes to a friend who had recently purchased an AR. Couldn't find any ammo at all. This was just a few days ago, so I gave him 3 boxes. I said, here man, you can fill up 2 mags. So that's why I'm missing 3. I'd also bought 2 boxes of Tula ammo. Again, steel case. 9mm Makarov. And these were $8.95 a box, so I bought 2 of those. And I also bought 10 boxes of the Wolf 9mm 115 grain steel case. This was $7.39. Like I said, it had already gone up about 10%, but this was on March 19th that I ordered it. I definitely gave you guys the heads up and encouraged you to get it while you can on March 20th. So this is when I first noticed stuff starting to go on. And I still have all 10 boxes here. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And I'll be right back in a second with another order that I had just made about a week or so before this, before ammo had really started going up at all. We're just going to go back in time 6 days, guys. This is March 13th, and in 6 short days, a lot changed. I also streamed on the 13th of March, and the title of that stream was Ammo Shortage 2020 ? Because I thought it was starting to happen, and it was. People were starting to buy even then, but the prices had not gone up yet. So these were still the old-fashioned prices. Quite frankly, prices that were as low as I had seen them since I could remember, maybe at least in the last, I don't even know, 15 years. So let's start off. I bought 4 boxes, and this is from Aim Surplus again. 4 boxes of this STV Scorpio 9mm 124 grain brass. This is fully reloadable at $8.49 a box. I still have 3 of them from this order right here. One of them I did shoot in a couple recent review videos. So this was as of March 13th. This is the first time I made it known to you guys that I thought we might be getting into an ammo shortage. So $8.49, 50 rounds, brass case, 9mm. Now, like I said, it changed in just 1 week. This Wolf, the same stuff, the 9mm 115 grain steel case, was only $6.49 on March 13th from Aim Surplus. And I'm not going to fish them all out of here, but 10 boxes of this as well. So I bought 10 boxes of Wolf 9 at $6.49, which is what, about $70 or 70 cents, not dollars. Yeah, that might be in the next month's video, guys. I hate to say it, but that was a Freudian slip, and I hope it's not true. 70 cents more a box just in those 6 days from the 19th until the 13th. So $6.50, 50 count box of 9, and that was a really good price for this. I might have seen it for $6.19 or $6.29 on a sale before, but with the good shipping of AIM, this was about the cheapest I'd ever paid for it. And I also bought 6 boxes of the Wolf. This is the same stuff I showed you that I bought on the 19th. I bought 6 boxes of this for $3.69 a box. So there's 3 boxes of it right there, plus 3 more. So we were talking $3.70 a box for Steelcase 223 on March 13th. It's the first time I, made you guys aware of that. I think there's something going on here. $6.50 for 59mm Luger steel, and $8.49 for the Scorpio STV. And as you guys can see, I'm just always trying to help you out. I did not buy it all up. I bought 10 boxes of one, 4 boxes of the other, 6 boxes of the other. A week later, I made another modest purchase, and then 5 months later, I made another order from AIM Surplus. So you can see the prices went up drastically. Now, if you'll notice in my latest, which was the first part of this clip here, there was no 9mm Luger in that order because it was gone. There was no 223 because it was also gone. The 9mm Makarov also gone, but I did score some, 45, a little bit more 7.62 by 39, and some 300 blackout at significantly more than it would have cost me just back in early March. So by me looking through my orders, I can basically see that on the 13th of March, prices were still normal, still at record. They call it the Trump slump. No one was worried about gun control, low price. By the 19th, just 6 days later, it went up in price, substantially, at least by 10-15%. Fast forward to August, it's crazy. It's through the roof if you can even find it. And that's what happens, and shows you how volatile the supply chain is and how much people buy stuff up. And who knows, the government may have something to do with it too. You guys all have theories on it, and I can't prove anything, but I can prove how much the prices have drastically changed. And I hope that we're going to start doing some unboxings of it lowering soon, but I wouldn't count on that. So just get what you can, be reasonable. No reason for anyone to be panicked. I would never incite a panic, but I'm just showing you guys the chronological order of what happened here. And I've seen it happen in the past. I saw it with Obama's first term. I saw it when he got reelected. I saw it, during Sandy Hook. I saw it during when everyone said Hillary was going to win no matter what, right before the Trump 2016 election. I saw a little bit of it, not nearly as bad. Back in 1994, it went crazy. So I've seen quite a bit of this stuff. I wish all of you well. I've put out videos several times on this channel, usually in live streams, letting you guys know what deals I am finding, and I'll continue to try to help you guys out. And I appreciate you guys helping each other out too. Alright, well, just a quick little history lesson for you. The history of the, little chronological order of the pricing of Ammo Shortage 2020. Alright, thanks for watching. And have a good one.